Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to change line thickness. So as example, I will create lines with this line tool. And if you want to change the line thickness, so you can go to the option, click on elements attributes and then click pens and color model view. Now as example, I will change in this black color pen weight into 20. The next you can click store as and we create for the new custom pen set as into example. Click store and then you can click OK. Now to change the line thickness, you can select the object, but first you can change in here in below. Change into example for the setting of pen, and the next you can go to the color here and set to number 1. Because the number 1 will be set into 20 millimeter for weight. And you can click outset. Now to show the change, you can right click and then choose true line weight. So the line thickness will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to change line thickness.